shine above. Time flows gently, filled with love. 13 years of care, brightening every day. AlunoTec shields home in every way. Sunlight soft and warm, wind and rain calm down. Beauty in small space, nature all around. Craftsmanship unchanged, passion burning bright. AlunoTec makes every moment right. Under the starry sky, courtyard life so fine. Shade and shelter, peace by design. 13 years devoted to outdoor shade and pride. AlunoTec stands by.